Welcome to the amazing world of animal swimmers. Let's dive right in. Have you ever seen a dolphin jumping through the waves? Dolphins are very smart and love to play in the water. They can swim super fast and leap high into the air, making it look like they are dancing. Now look at that colorful clownfish. They live in coral reefs and are great at hiding from big fish. Isn't it cool how they can swim in and out of the corals using their bright colors to blend in? Speaking of colors, let's meet the beautiful sea turtles. These gentle swimmers glide gracefully through the ocean and can hold their breath for a long time. Can you guess how long? Up to 5 hours. Wow! Now let's swim to the rivers where we find the playful otters. Otters use their paws to catch fish and can slide down muddy banks for fun, just like kids on a playground. What about the mighty whale? They are the biggest swimmers in the ocean. Some whales can sing songs that travel for miles, creating beautiful melodies underwater. Finally, let's not forget about the adorable penguins. They may not fly, but they sure can swim fast and dive deep. Let's give a cheer for all our amazing animal swimmers. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational adventures.